Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So this one that is about this one. The integration of cosine x, that is about sine x. Now we have the second formula in here. So we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So if we simplify, we have like this. Because number 5 with number 1, we have number 6. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to cosine x. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, because we don't have the negative side in here. So I will put this one go to the left. This one we change for u. Sine x dx we change for negative du. So this one we can put like this. So the integration of this one we have like this. So this one we have negative number 5. This one we have negative number 5. About u, that is about cosine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.